In front of me is an LG F60, and today I will show you how to remove the root from the device. So if you have rooted your device previously and you want to get rid of it, you can follow this guide, and I'm going to start off by actually showing you that the device is rooted. So later, and as you can see, it shows me that it is. So I can I'm just going to close this, and I'm gonna use Kingroot, which I also used to root this device previously, and it can also be used to unroot it. So have it installed already. So you can see it's somewhere right here. Oh, right here. As you can see, this little crown, Kingroot. But I'm gonna show you where to get it. So when you go to your browser, type in kingroot.net, like so. And as you can see, you have a free download right here. Once you press it, it will download it, and then you can tap on installing it. Once it shows up here, you can then tap on install. It will also prompt you to enable unknown sources, and then you will actually get a little pop-up that it's still trying to be blocked. Just tap on an arrow and then you can install it anyway. Now, so you get a better idea, I can also check it out how to root it, then you will actually see clearly what I'm talking about if you want to use this tool to unroot the device. But I already have it installed, so we're gonna proceed on as if we have the app. So I'm gonna open it, and from here I'm gonna just tap on the three little dots right here and go into the settings, and from here on the bottom you have Uninstall Kingroot, which will basically remove the root. So tap on continue and then OK. Root access has been removed, as you just seen. And now if I leave and open root checker, it should tell me that the device is not rooted. What is it opening? Okay, as you can see, not rooted. So as you see, the process has worked, and that's how we can unroot the device. And also, if you want to be extra safe and remove any kind of residue, and you have the option to do it, you can go through the hard reset process. Of just gonna show it to basically as an example. It's not required, but if you want to be extra safe and basically remove everything, you can go into the settings and then go to backup and reset and choose factory data reset, and then select reset phone and delete all. Now mind you that this process will basically remove everything from the device and make it as a fresh install of the Android, removing kind of anything that has been left after the from the programs that we've used, and yeah, basically it will be just a completely clean Android. So let's wait for the process to go through, and I'll be back once it's finished. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your language. I'm just gonna skip through this really quickly. And now everything should be gone. So that is basically how you remove the root from your device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.